You failed to kill me for the 12th time, and the good thing Silver the T-Rex saves me from Mr. PCY. And right now, that should be a 54th count. One more until this background is orange. Nope, that's not gonna happen at all. Alright, let's begin with 55th action failure. You failed to change the action fail count for the second time, and look here, this background is now orange, and right now, that should be a 55th count. 5 more until my mode is disappointed. Nope, it never works. Ha ha ha! You failed to punch me, and right now... Nope, rocket launching me doesn't work. You failed to rocket launch me, and right now, that should be a 52nd count. 3 more until this background is reddish orange.